Is your iPhone's touchscreen not working? If so, this video is for you. So let's begin. First, what you'll have to do is make sure that your iPhone is not connected to any USB accessories or any lightning accessories. After doing so, what we'll do is we'll force restart our iPhone. Now to do that, you'll need to press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, you'll just have to release the side button and the phone will restart. Now this method works for iPhone X and above, so do this if your iPhone is of the following versions. After doing so, while your phone restarts, what you can do is you need to clean your iPhone's screen. Now clear rid of any debris. Just you can use a soft cloth or something to just clean your iPhone's screen. And after you do that, your touchscreen should be working just fine. Even after doing that, if your touchscreen does not work, you might have to check for hardware. So go to your nearest store, support store. You can go to it and get your iPhone repaired. So that is basically it for this video. Stay tuned.